Sabal.
Was that intel from the camp worth it? Did you even read it? Because I've got some intelligence for you. And it's solid. 9 of my men are dead. Good men you let die.
You guys put me in a difficult position.
The right choice was obvious! It's what your father would have done. That's the golden path. That's the direction we were going before he died and it all went to shit. Amita doesn't get it. She's always put her goals first. She's underhanded, she's subversive, and she always sacrifices lives. That's why I stepped up. I stepped up because I knew your father, and I respected his vision. You need to learn what drove him, what drives us. Go to the monastery. Educate yourself, Ajay.
Just checking in on my favorite nephew. So tell me, Ajay, who are you rooting for so far? Have you fallen into Amita's honey pots, or have you been dazzled by Sabal's flowing locks and bad boy jawline? Hey, each to his own. That's your lifestyle choice to make. It isn't my cup of tea, contrary to the rash assumptions some may make about my appearance. I am indeed batting for the other team. You more than most should know that there was only ever one woman for me, my boy.
You know what? I have a bone to pick. I don't even remember the last time someone had anything nice to say about the northern part of Kirat. I mean, the entire region's been under Puggins' control for as long as I can remember. I heard they even have a bunch of gulags up there where undesirable people are kept. What does that word mean, undesirable? That's such a handy word. It can mean anything from a jerk you don't like to a freedom fighter trying to make Kirat a better place. But I find a lot of things undesirable, you guys. I find poop undesirable. I wish I never had this shit, to be honest. I mean, the food that I have to eat up here is not good on the battlefield list. What else is undesirable? I mean, girls who talk too much, people with bad breath, people that just talk about their kids all day. I don't give a shit. I mean, I find Chotu undesirable, especially when he farts in the booth and doesn't admit to it. I mean, come on, man, it's 2 of us. Admit to it, Chotu. Why are you lying? Okay? I think we should use a new word for undesirable. Shorten the word undesirable and just call it undies. Yeah, undies. Because undies rhymes with chuddies, and both of those things I don't like. I don't like dirty chuddies, and I definitely don't like undies. So we should call it undies. Like, hey, there's an undie coming over there. Let's stay away from him. Hey, that guy's dirty chuddies. Let's stay away from him. Both of these things are one and the same. Let's get back to the music. Sorry for talking about the whole farting thing, Chotu, but I mean, honestly, you do have a gas problem. You gotta take care of that, man. Program to you guys, okay? Is it me? Am I used to swear, but I never understood people who are into the weird stuff. I think sex is fun. I am very grateful for it. I do the deeds, I say thank you, and I keep it moving. But if you are all about sticking your hard disk into some girl's slot...
Idiot.
Raju is waiting for you inside the monastery. Ajay, namaste.
Ah, the son of the great Mohan. Sabal tells me you're ready to learn what inspired your father. Banashur, god of gods, sang the world into existence. For that, we give him thanks. We thank the gods for giving us life. Please, take an offering basket. A candle reminds us that growth only comes with a willingness to step beyond our usual boundaries.
You're brave to have captured so many outposts.
Bless us with wisdom, and we collect them in the prayer wheel to purify ourselves from bad thoughts. Spin the wheel. Life without emotion is no life at all. But a life controlled by emotion is to be consumed by it. Add the powder. Is as tenuous and fleeting as a wisp of sweet-smelling smoke. The incense represents our mortality.
Ajay, the intel you recovered, that map, it's the monastery. The army's going to attack your location any minute now.
Stay inside. The army's coming to attack.
Soldiers are coming. Go grab weapons from the crates.
They're destroying the icons! Come on!
You saved us. You are your father's son, Ajay. Thank you, Ajay. Thank you.
Amita, the monastery is safe.
Maybe now Sabal will see the importance of good intel. If you hadn't secured that map, we never would have stopped this in time. Good work, Ajay.